G'day everybody, Pieter here from RVfinders and welcome to another edition of RVfinders Thursday Tip. Today we are just going to briefly look at about what to decide when you are buying front or rear wheel drive. Now most of the rear wheel drives are have got a higher center of gravity, so it's got two dual wheels at the back, and due to that fact they do feel a little bit wobbly or unstable on the road, although they do drive pretty nicely in its own sense. And with the front wheel drives, you've got a lower center of gravity and it drives physically like a car, and the road holding is a bit better. But the main difference would be that with the rear wheel drives you normally got more payload and also towing capacity, which a lot of people would say if they want to tow a boat or a car or something bigger, that they would rather go with the rear wheel drive. With the front wheel drive you got the obviously the traction control, and a lot of people say that yeah, it will get stuck on wet grass and that. Yes, there is a bit of slipping of the wheels going on, especially when you take off when it's on wet grass, or but you've got to take care in any case of any motorhome because of the weight where you park for the night, and make sure that it's pretty firm ground so that you can take off, and even you can get stuck rear wheel or front wheel drive. But yeah, those are the things to consider, but the best thing would be to take it for a test drive and get the feel for it, and look at, obviously the first choice was the lifestyle choices, and then the tick the boxes of the floor plan, and then we'll go to front and rear wheel drive. So yeah, that's just in a nutshell. If you would like to know more or have got more questions, or you want to comment on anything that has been said in this little video clip, please comment below, or contact me rvfinders.co.nz. and yeah, look at our other YouTube videos. We've got lots of them on there on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe there. There's a subscribe button somewhere here, and yeah, we would look forward to hearing from you in future videos. Thank you so much and have a great day. Cheers.